Introduction to Python. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in the 1990s. It is a multi-purpose high-level language. The main reason for Python's popularity is its beginner friendliness. It allows anyone, even school kids with no programming background, to pick up Python and start creating simple programs. It also offers a vast collection of packages and libraries that can play a vital role in project development. It has a strong community of like-minded developers that is always eager to help. Python can be used to build almost anything. It works well with technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics. It is easier to read Python code and faster to write code in Python than any other language. For instance, code written in C language. Code written in Python. You might be surprised by how many professional products are built on Python code. Instagram, YouTube, Reddit, Spotify, to name just a few. Python is not only a friendly and fun language to learn, but it also powers the technology behind multiple world-class companies.